Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 20th, and this is my analysis on the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So happy Easter to everybody. Today is Easter Sunday, so I wanted to do a full top-down analysis on all of the more popular dollar pairs, including gold. And I highly recommend getting used to doing full top-down analysis. I don't care if you're trading on the 1 minute time frame. The higher time frames are going to give you the direction on pretty much every lower time frame. At least, going to give you the main direction. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, you can't help but notice, first of all, as we got one, two, three waves up, then we have a very corrective pattern right to the 78% Fibonacci. We now have an engulfing move up. It is starting to break structure on the sort of time frames, which I think confirms that the wave X is complete. If the wave X is complete of this WX, that means we should be in a wave Y right now. Wave Y should take out the high of wave W and the high of wave 4. That puts us all the way up to about the 0.82 area. Now, it's definitely not just going to go up there in one straight line. And WXY is a three waves up, three waves down, three waves up pattern. So I would expect next to see one, two, three waves up, or maybe a little bit of a more shallow wave B like this, one, two, three waves up. Either way, I would expect to see some sort of a three-wave pattern up to at least the 0.82 area. Now, this is the monthly time frame. That probably is going to take at least a year or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is the structure level that we are starting to finally get to the point where we're breaking, and that is what I think will prove that this wave X is over, and we're now in three waves of Y. So pretty exciting to get a big turn like this on the monthly, weekly time frame. They don't happen very often. This blue line right here represents the break of structure point. Now, I think it's definitely impulsive and close enough to say that this is going to break. Whether it makes a pullback before it breaks or whether it just goes up and breaks now, I have no idea. But I think that it will break structure. That will confirm that this is over. And this is very likely only a wave one of an ABC of Y. So let me zoom out a little bit, move this over. So kind of what I would expect to see is I would expect it to see to make a wave one, probably a wave two, probably a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five of A. Then it corrects into that wave A for the wave B, and then another five waves up to that level I showed on the monthly weekly time frame for a wave C, and this would be three waves of wave Y. And now you can probably start to understand why it's so important to understand these higher time frames. Because if you're trading even the 5 minute, 1 minute time frame, and we're getting close to ending a wave one, that's pretty important information for any time frame you're trading on. So anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now you can probably understand why I've been so adamant about looking for longs on the sort of time frames. 4 hour time frame, there's no reason to think that this is going down yet. Every single one of these swing lows is a higher low, which means that this from this point on is all one trend. Only a wave one of a five-wave trend for the wave A on the weekly monthly time frame. Like I said, there's a pretty good chance this is going to break structure before it even starts a wave two, which would be a pretty big pullback if that's what happens. So that's why on the sort of time frames I've been so adamant about looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks. If I zoom out just a little bit to the top of this so you can see the bottom of this move, that is, if you did nothing but look for longs, ever since we got a break of structure right there, one, two, three-way pullback, go long, one, two, three-way pullback, go long, one, two, three-way pullback, go long, one, two, three-way running ABC pullback, go long, one, two, three, pullback, go long, one, two, three, pullback, go long. Now, hopefully, you can understand why, no matter what time frame you're trading, it is so valuable to understand the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. So, anyways, happy Easter to everybody. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you and happy trading.